Are you looking for a way to automatically upload video files from Dropbox to YouTube? With zzBots, it is now easier than ever to install this as a plugin from our plugin store. This plugin contains one bot. This bot will monitor for when a new file is added to the specified folder in Dropbox, and then automatically upload that file directly to YouTube as a new video. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click next. First, set up the connection with your Dropbox account. After your account is connected, select the folder that you want your bot to monitor for new video files. Next, set up the connection with your YouTube account. After your account is connected, you can customize the video description. This will apply to all of the videos that your bot will upload. Then you will choose whether you want your video to upload as do not publish or private, publish immediately, or publish as unlisted. After you click next and install now, your bot will be up and running. After clicking done, you will be redirected to the bots page, where you can manage your bot and configure your bot settings, although further customization is optional. You can test this automatic upload by adding a video file to the specified folder in Dropbox. In zzBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster, depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. You can see the bot history for your bot, as shown here, that will show a history of all of the videos uploaded. The amount of bot power used will depend on the size of the video that your bot uploads to YouTube. Bot power will only be used when your bot uploads a video to YouTube. Your bot will not use any bot power to check for changes. In YouTube, you can see that this video uploaded successfully. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your apps together or automate your business, be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com and we'll be happy to help you.